Hello and welcome back. In this video we will learn how to download latest setup of easy JTAG software. So let's get started. First of all, we will launch Z3X shell. I will press yes, and then here I have already installed Samsung Tool Pro. So we will go to support files, then software, then easy JTAG. One thing to be noted, you can see downloading latest firmware DB. It's mean shell is downloading latest database for software downloads, so we must wait for complete it. So we'll back after completing this downloading latest database. So downloading is completed now, and it's showing confirm import category update apply files DB now. So database must be updated, so we will click yes. So now we have latest database for software downloads. So now we will click on software, then easy JTAG, then here is the latest setup of easy JTAG. We will click on browser. If you want to download via shell, you can select yes this. If you want to download via browser, then you will click this. If you want via torrent, this option will be for torrent, and this option will be for torrent via browser. So we will do via web browser. So I am going to double click on it. So you can see car not found, car required just for first download and after timeout. So we will go to device manager and see, and the Z3X smart card easy JTAG is being detected, and then we will check smart card. I'm going to remove other smart card. So I removed dongle now, and now I have smart card readers. I will refresh it using connect disconnect. Now I will try to double click on it. Make sure you have browser selected. So here is our download link. Let we copy it, and will cancel from here and paste it to my internet download manager, saying if existing file is completed, show the dialog download complete box, otherwise resume it. So I will remove it. Let we start as a first or fresh. So it will automatically add the URL and then start. If you are facing like this, then you should wait some seconds, and downloading will be started. So I have already downloaded, so I will cancel it, and I will go back and then go to my computer's drive where I have downloaded. Sorry, Z3X, then easy JTAG, then here is latest exe. So I double click on it. Minimize it, and now I will click on yes. Okay, accept. You should read the whole agreement to understand the term and conditions. Next. Software sync, because folder is already exist, so I will click yes to overwrite. next, next. I don't want quick launch shortcut, so I untick on quick launch. So for all users, next, install. So installation will be completed in a few seconds as per your computer speed. So installation is completed now. It's showing launch Easy JTAG tool. Go to Easy JTAG website. So I will untick this, then OK, then import categories update. So I will click on yes, because of shell must be updated. So here is Easy JTAG tools. One here, classic tool, then Easy JTAG SPI flasher, then I will install Easy JTAG plus or eMMC tool. So let's get started. So here is our Easy JTAG software after installation. It's open successfully. In next video I will back to you with the layout information of Easy JTAG XZ or Easy JTAG GUI. So bye for now.